Well, happy Halloween. I'm Indiana Jones, and I want to thank Janny and Diane for hosting this Halloween playlist. And I thought instead of a craft, why don't we craft ourselves to be someone different? And who better on a Halloween night than to be the mistress of the dark, Elvira herself? I mean, she is basically the queen of Halloween. I like to think that I am, but I think it's Elvira. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is moisturize your face. And although it looks like I'm pretty pale as it is, I do need to fix up a little bit under the eyes just to add a little bit of, just a little more pallor. Because, for Halloween, you're never too pale, even though I'm already starting off pretty pale. But Elvira is really pale. I'm trying to get down to the neck. Cover the lips, and then just blend it in. I like to blend it in with my fingers because the natural oils kind of helps. Making sure you cover everything. And again, this is going to be a quick tutorial, as quick as it can be. I'm sorry, I'm looking down here and I'm looking down here. I have a mirror here, camera there, screen over there. So a little bit of everything. So next, the eyes are going to be last. So the next thing you need to do is she has this beautiful cut here. And what she uses is a mixture of a peach color and brown. So I'm going to use these two colors. I don't know if you can see it. These two right there, see? To give that effect of her cheekbones. I used to have cheekbones. I don't know where they went, but if you go like that, you find your cheekbones. So just pretty straight. Now remember, Elvira was big in the 80s, so her makeup is very much stylized for the 80s kind of punk era. I don't know if you can see me well. And then mix a little bit of the peach right above. So it's like a cinnamony kind of color is what she uses for blush. I thought it was, when I first looked at it, I thought, oh, it's probably gray or black. No, it's like a cinnamony peach. It's like brown with peach, which is basically what I'm doing. See? So it kind of stands out from the pallor of her skin. Next, now I think next what we're going to do is we're going to start with the eyes. I should start with the eyes. I did bring, okay, I just want to make sure I have everything I need. I'll get this later, but this is for the eyelashes. Okay, now I think the next thing we should start with is get the eyes started. Now this is a very weird color combination. I was watching another tutorial. I was actually watching as she was putting makeup on. And she basically uses these two colors, this hot pink and hot blue. I know, doesn't make sense. For Halloween, well, that's what she does. That's what I saw her use. So she goes all the way up to the eyebrow. So you start in the corner of the eye. I'm going to do both sides at the same time. And this color, this magenta, this hot pink, really brings out the blue or the green in your eyes. And I'm lucky enough that although I don't have a pair like hers, at least this pair can kind of match hers, And then she uses the same magenta at the edge of her eyes, right here. She leaves the middle open, and you'll see why. Very punk rocky kind of. Then she takes the blue, puts it right in the middle. I know, it doesn't make sense, but that's how they do it. That's how she does it. So if you can see my eyes, it's like stripes. Doesn't make sense, but that's how she does it. Almost like a lightning bolt of blue right in the middle. Same thing here. Now, don't worry too much because this is all going to be covered in black. I know. Cover the eye. Now, she uses a black eyeshadow on the eyelid. So I have this from Spirit, but almost every eyeshadow container has black. Try to use a matte black. See how this is like a black here? Try to use a matte black, so I'm going to use this one. And just going to cover the eyelid. Just like that. Now, one thing I love about Elvira is her wit. Not only is she beautiful, but she's very witty. And I swear, she must have some kind of magic because that woman is like 67 years old. And she looks better than most 30-year-olds. I hate to say it. Great attitude. Does a lot of good things. I bet you didn't know that she, Cassandra Peterson, the actress who plays Elvira, who created Elvira, she is an advocate for children and for animals. So she's even a vegan. She's so serious about the protection of animals. So now we're going to take this and we're going to do a little flip right here in the corner. And that's not all. We're going to go in with an eyeliner now. And she does these like fake lashes. Let me find my black eyeliner. There it is. She does, see the eyes? I'm gonna need a little more black right here. I'm trying not to get black on the bottom. On the bottom, she actually puts, I'll do it later, but and she does this thing where to like enhance her eyelashes, she actually like creates like fake eyelashes. I don't know if it's better to use a pencil or a very hard pencil. I think I'm gonna try with liquid eyeliner. Let's try with the liquid eyeliner. You're gonna let it dry. I know it looks weird, but that's how she does it. I watched her do it. There we go. She looks like a cat eye. Let's make it a little darker. See? And then we're going to do eyeliner. Just like that. Now, another of her signature looks is, it's a contrast. It's a very cool contrast. She takes white and she puts it right here in the corner of her eye. And it makes it look really, really big. And I wish I had another liner. If you have white eyeliner or white eyeshadow, just line the inside of your eyes to make them look bigger. That's her secret, to make them look so big. Well, at least how to make her eyes look big. I don't think that works on anything else. Just make sure you have a nice enough white. Then let me see if I can try it with the pencil. Okay. So we're going to use, she always uses a little bit of hot pink also underneath her eyes. I don't know what that's supposed to do, but that's what she does. I'm doing it. And then for the eyebrows, of course. Now the lips. Now for the lips, just red, very luscious and very sexy lip. We got one on. Ooh, look at that. What a difference eyelashes make. This is coming off on the edge here. I think it's there. I think I got it. All right. Now I don't put mine right to the corner. I let it go a little in, so it's not right on the corner of my eye because that bothers me, number one. And number two, that way it looks like the lashes are longer at the end, at the corner, the end corner. Okay, this one's on. It worked. So now that I have my eyes and my lips, all I need is my hair. How I'm going to do my hair is going to be very interesting because I don't have an Elvira wig. I do, however, have this luscious, long Vampira type of wig. So I have this one. There we go. We have the little bangs. And she has these little bangs in the front. But what really makes Elvira is that beautiful big bouffant she has. And I don't have a bouffant, but I have this other small wig that I've worn in the past. You saw me wearing it recently. I'm going to put a pumpkin in it to keep it up on my head. And there you have it. Oh wait, one last thing. Before I'm officially Elvira, I gotta take this apron off, which I should have done before I put my hair on. And voila. And voila. What do you think? Am I Elvira enough for you? Well, there you are, guys. A quick tutorial on how to become Elvira, Mistress of the Dark. I think I did a pretty good job with what I had. But most importantly, I want to wish you all a happy Halloween. And remember, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure. And as Elvira would say herself, unpleasant dreams. Good night. I was going to make some decorations for Halloween, but something's missing.
Well, I'd be interested to see how you do.
Oh, okay. Well, it's very easy.
This being a job application.
Well,
So you have a feeling that